Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to create scouts in Civilization VII. To create scouts, you should click on any city you have and click Scout to start producing the scouts. For example, I can click twice, for example, to produce two scouts, right? But as you can see here, I have the queue, and firstly it will end the granary producing, then it will produce galley during 7 turns, then fishing quay. After that only scout 1 and scout 2. So I can change the order in this way by clicking the arrow button. So firstly I wanna produce for example scouts and then other items. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.